So we have this now to simplify. 11101 base 2 times 1 base 2, then bracket open and close, plus 101 base 2. The first one we're going to solve is the one in bracket. Okay, so we have this 11101 1 1 1. Put your multiplication sign. Okay, 1 times 1 is what?
1 times 1 is 1.
1. Okay. 1 times 0 is 0.
0.
1 times 1 is 1.
1.
1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is what?
1.
1. Again, 1 times 1 is what? 1. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. This one, 1 times 1 is what? 1. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is what? 1. You add all of them. Remember in base 2, okay? When you are adding or whatever you are doing, your answer must not be more than 0 and 1. Anything above 0 and 1 means you are wrong already. So to add them, you bring down this 1, okay? Then 0 plus 1 is what?
0.
1.
1.
0 plus 1 is what? 1. Then 1 plus 0 is 1. Plus 1 is what? 2.
2.
But you are told not to write 2 here. Okay? So you divide that 2. That 2, you divide it by 2. Okay? Divide it by what?
2.
2. Because you're using base 2. Divide it by what?
2.
You have 2 here. 2 divided by 2 is what? 1. Remember what? 1 times 1 is what? 1 times 2 is what? 2. You subtract, you have what? 0. So you have 1, remember what? 0. Alright? So you write this one, you write 0. You keep the 1 here. Alright?
Yes.
So you carry this one, you add it to this one. Okay? 1 plus 1 is what? 2. 2 plus 1 is what?
3.
3 plus
0.
0 is what? 3. You will not write 3 because 3 is bigger than what?
1.
It's bigger than 2. Base 2. Okay? So you put 3. You divide 3 by 2. You have your 3. Divide it by 2. You have what? 1. Remainder what? 1. You have 1 remainder what? 1. The remainder is what we are going to write here. Okay? This whole number you get as 1, you carry it to this side. Okay? So you add it to this place. 1 plus 1 is what?
1 plus 1
is 2. 2 plus 1 is what?
2 plus 1 is 3.
2 plus this is what?
2.
3 plus 1 is what? 4.
4.
So you have 4. 4 here, you divide it by 2. You have 2 remainder what? 0.
0.
You have 2 remainder what? 0. You put the 0 here. Okay? You bring the 2 here. You add the 2 here. Alright? 2 plus 1 is what?
2 plus 1 is 3.
3 plus 1 is what?
4.
Then 4 again you have. You divide, you have 2 remainder what? 3. 0. You put the 0 here. You move the remaining 2 here. Okay? So you have 2 plus 1 is what?
2 plus 1
is what? 3.
3.
Then you divide the 3 by 2. You have 1 remainder what? 1. That 1, you write it here. Then the whole number you get, you write it here. So this is the multiplication, the product of this. Okay? But remember the question you are asked. The question you are asked, you've not completed it. You've done only the multiplication. Okay? So now you add this to this. Okay? So we have 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 base 2 plus 1 0 1 base 2 also. So you solve. The same thing we did here. 1 plus 1 is what?
1 plus 1
is
2.
2. You will not write 2 here. So you divide 2 by 2. You have 1 remainder what? 0. So you are going to write 0 here. You carry this one to this place. You add it here. 1 plus 1 is also what? 2.
2.
You divide 2, you get 1 remainder what? 0.
Zero.
You write 0 here. You carry 1, move it to this side. You add. 1 plus 0 plus 1 is also 2. You divide by 2, you get 1 remainder 0. You write 0. You move 1 again. 1 plus 1 is also 2. You divide by 2, you get 1 remainder 0. You write 0 here. You put your 1 here. 0 plus 1 is 1. You bring this one down. You bring this one down. You bring this one down. You put your base 2. So the final answer to this is 11010000 base 2. That is the final answer to this. That is how it is resolved.
Okay.
Any question?
No.
If you have, ask.
Yes.
You have question?
No.
Okay. You copy.